welcome to our video on discounts. Do you offer your guests discounts? Are you thinking about creating a promotion with a code your guests can use to promote new bookings? Staff can offer discounts to guests internally by selecting from the discount drop-down when making a booking. These can be set up quickly and easily from your discount page by adding a name and selecting the discount amount, whether a percentage or a free night. These can have restrictions like a maximum cap, a minimum stay length, even category, rate type, rate period, or member restrictions. You can even hide these discounts behind a code, so guests can add this in on the checkout page to reduce their stay cost. These can have certain book by dates or staying dates, or even a limited amount of uses. For instance, the first 50 people to book get 10% off. You can update your booking URL to automatically apply this discount, or link a discount to a new book online sale or interactive promotion. You can use your discount report to track how successful these discounts are. For additional assistance in setting this feature up, or for any other FAQs on this feature, simply click the question mark icon on the top right to check out our helpful knowledge base for detailed step-by-step guides.